part of our training. I did not see the tree branch and tried to shove my neck into my back, bro. It's a rock! Pioneers used to ride these babies for miles. Ultimate enduro riders. Which direction you want to go? Left or right? Let's go right. Colorado, baby. Oh, the 627. YZ's running good right now. Hell yeah. Alright, y'all, we in Colorado and you're on the CorkyCanStunt YouTube channel. We're about to hit the 787, and as you see is that blue squiggle, that's an easy level trail. This is going to be one of many here at Rampart Range in Colorado. So I do have Dr. Andy Stunts right behind me. You can see him back there. He says, what's up? It's gonna be first time riding with somebody in Colorado. Pretty damn excited about it. So far in elevation, the YZ is running really good, and I'm hoping we can leave here with a bike that's still running very good, because tomorrow we're heading to Taylor Park. I'm gonna be riding some of the most challenging trails in the United States. We just got here, just getting warmed up. If you haven't seen my first video riding with Cody, whenever I took my adventure series here, came out here completely solo, be sure to go check that out. Let's get into some riding today as I get warmed up and figure out my tire pressure here. Elevation's already getting to me though. I'm out of breath. We got one more back. Hop. Don't hop that rock into the other one. Bro, this stuff's so flowy. Now if I could just ride worth a shit. Dang, this thing just wants to go. Hell yeah. Dr. Andy said I'm keeping up with you, and I said that's a challenge. And he said no. I do wish that I had better front brakes for this type of stuff, especially as we get into more of the hard enduro stuff where we're going down hills and really needing brakes. I'm gonna really be wishing I had a better front. The rear feels really good. This front doesn't lock up, and you gotta damn near pull it to the bars to get it to do anything. I was looking, I think you can buy the Honda Masters and cylinders that will directly mount up onto these. Literally getting a rhythm, and just, it feels so good. It's like a roller coaster that you're in control of. And then that roller coaster just wants to And these whoops actually feel pretty decent, like they kind of help slow you down. And they're not overkill, not wanting to rip your arms off, just enough to slow you down. Oh, we got a rider. Up to the berm, you don't want to berm out. Is it the high line? Oh, sick, we got a bridge. Yeah, bro, my throttle is so touchy, but I love it because it's not boggy like I was expecting it to be. I was so set up for disappointment, because after my last trip to Colorado, and whenever I got out there, I found out my metering rod was stripped, and not only that, my bike would not run for nothing. Long story short, more or less got pissed off and came home. So I got to ride my KTM on that trip. Be sure to go check out those videos. Yeah, it's still worth the trip, but I never got to experience Taylor Park, and this is again Rampart Range over here. Dude, I love those whoops. Doing good, Dr. Andy, you're hanging with me. I don't feel like I'm riding real hard, but I am pushing myself. There's a really nice overlook somewhere back here. We need to try to find that. It overlooks the mountain range over towards, got a pretty good view of Pikes Peak from the top of this hill, which is really cool. Even feels good at low RPM. I did that in second, just slipping the clutch a little. That felt pretty good. No bog, nothing. Just felt it grabbing the ground. It's a rock! Pioneers used to ride these babies for miles. I know y'all gonna be correcting me on the times that I'm sitting, but for one, I'm not trying to tire my legs, and two, I like getting better views of the camera and letting the GoPro get the shot of the handlebars. Whenever I'm standing up, you can't really see the handlebars. So yeah, it's kind of a dumb excuse, kind of a lack of riding skill at the same time. And I know you guys are going to be in the comment section on that one, because you have before. Appreciate it though. Yeah, you got a little sideways. I should have looked at my hours before he left. My hours on the bike, kind of get an idea how many miles or how much fuel at like this type of riding. Obviously we use a little bit more at the faster pace stuff, and then the more technical stuff we're not using as much fuel, so that'd be a little different, but it'd be ideal to get a ballpark range on how many hours as a gauge, I guess. The mud sneak up on you, it gets real slick. Rampart range is pretty great. The fast flowy stuff definitely makes you feel better of a rider than you really are. It's just so good to be flowing. Then these rain ruts try to catch up to you. I feel like I lost the spring to my foot brake or something. Like, it just feels weird. My front end kind of feels like it's sliding around. I don't know, maybe it's just in my head, but I swear I'm having to push way down to find that brake. Dr. Andy's setting a pretty good pace. Holy shit. God damn. Holy shit, he threw some splashes. So in case I haven't shown the clip, tried to knock myself stupid a second ago. Yeah, crack that. Tried to knock myself stupider a minute ago. Dr. Andy got the shot. I wasn't recording on my GoPro, so I don't think I got it. Yeah, I seen what looked to be a jump, and there's a tree branch hanging down right above it. I did not see the tree branch and tried to shove my neck into my back, bro. Did not feel good. I do remember being on this trail before, and I think this is a lookout right here. We're back on the road. This is 627 and we're heading back to the truck, hopefully. One way or the other, the truck's along this road. Came out here just planning to spend a few hours on our way to Taylor Park. We're gonna be there the next couple days, so be sure to be on the lookout for those videos. Go check out Dr. Andy Stunt's perspective of this video. As well as that, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know the title of this video is probably gonna be Fast and Flowy, because these trails are hopefully what heaven's like, because these switchbacks and the fast pace all along here is so incredible. I'd like to give a review to these riding parks so you guys can kind of get an idea of if it's anything worth coming out to check out on your own. I think I did stars last time, 0 out of 5 stars of Chadwick whenever we went there. Rampart range, overall I'm giving it a solid 4.2. 4.2 might not be what most of you guys expect. But the thing I'm keeping in mind, I would like a little more single track. If I had some fast flowy single track, that'd be great. In a quad, some of these sections would be pretty technical because they do get pretty tight. But yeah, I'd like to see a little more single track. But that's what Taylor Park's for, and we're gonna be there tomorrow and the next day, so we're gonna get our face full of that. Other than about breaking my neck today, it's been absolutely perfect. Weather's been perfect. I want to send you all out of here with a thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, but you know how to do that. And until next time, y'all, peace. I brought the 110 too.